Hello, and welcome to How to Find Your Student Login Information. Why you may need this information is because possibly your student cannot remember his or her login. Please keep in mind that no teacher or academic advisor will have access to this information, so you will not be able to ask one of them for help with logging in as far as the individual username and password go. So your student also may be using a Learning Coach account and needs access to their own account, which is very important because a student always needs to be using their own student account. They cannot be using a Learning Coach account, one, for attendance purposes, and two, they will not have access to all of their assignments. Or possibly you want to change the account password. Maybe you want to update it, maybe you want a little bit more control over your student's account, and you want to make sure you change the password. So here's how it's done. Also, before that, if you continue to have issues after following these directions, please make sure to call tech support at 866-512-2273. Remember, your teacher or academic advisor will not have access to your student's login information. Only tech support will be able to help you if you have further issues after watching this video. So first you want to log in as a Learning Coach. Go to k12.com/login and enter the Learning Coach username and password. If you cannot remember your username or password, you as a Learning Coach can use the forgot username or the forgot password links that are available on the login page. Your student will not be able to use these. Only you as a Learning Coach can use these. So once you have your Learning Coach username and password, use it to log in. And this is what it will look like on the Learning Coach homepage. Once you are on the Learning Coach homepage, click Account, as you'll see on the top crossbar. Once you are on the account page, it will look like this. And the personal information that's listed is all information that applies to your student. So it is not your Learning Coach information, it is your student's information. So it will show your student's username and it will show the current password, but it will only show it as dots. It will not show you what your current password is. You will not be able to view what it is, only the current username. So to change the password, all you have to do is delete the dots that are currently there and type in something that can be easily remembered. It will ask you to confirm that password again. Once you type in the password twice, click Save at the bottom of the page to make sure that the new password has been stored. Your student can now log in to his or her account with their new account information. Again, the username will not change. It will still be the same username that is displayed, but you will need to type in a new password to be able to create that new password for the account. Now you are all done. You can now log out of your Learning Coach account, which is a very important part of this because remember, your student should not be using your Learning Coach account and have the student log in with his or her new information. Again, if you continue to have login issues, remember to call tech support right away at 866-512-2273. Your teachers do not have access to login information. Only tech support can help you with this. If you continue to need help logging in with information you already have, a teacher can help you with that to help you navigate the online high school.